So, hello everyone, this is me again, Mark. It's another video rental. It's another unit to check, and this one is for rent. And this rental unit is located here inside the Lemenda Residences in Busay. And right now, I am standing on the outside of these three elevators, passenger elevators, and I just want to show you how the beautiful setup of the hallway and the very well lit hallways, wide hallways, and warm in that eye. And this unit is 2-bedroom, and this is for rent. And we opened this one for minimum at least of 6 months rental. And our 2-bedrooms type starts from the 42,000 monthly rate, because we have other 2-bedroom which is bigger, and of course the rate of it is higher. And this one, our rate will be starts from 42,000, and this one is 2 bedrooms. And as you can see, we open this one for rent for fully furnished unit. And this particular unit is facing on the mountain side of the Busay, because if you are looking for some units facing on the city or on the ocean, we can also offer you with that unit. So right now, I will just close this one first, that door, and I will show you your kitchen here and your living area, and equipped with the aircon, your TV, your microwave, your cooktop, and range hood. And you have here the mini fridge and utensils, and the cabinetry here, and one toilet and bathroom here. And this is your toilet and bathroom. And I will show you the first bedroom of the unit. It is this one, and you have the view of the mountain, and you have balcony outside. And let's check another bedroom, this one, and you have also balcony which is connecting to the balcony of the other bedroom. So again, this is for rent. If you are looking for a smaller one, we also have 1 bedroom. And if you are looking for something with view of the ocean or the city, we can also accommodate that. And if you are looking also to buy a unit here, we have units also for sale. And we are also open now for sale the penthouse. We have 2 penthouse available on this building, and this is developed by the Vista Homes Commercial Incorporated. And this is the first project of Vista Homes here in Cebu. And the developer has been in Australia for a very long time already. And not only this view that you can get, this building, this residential tower, also has the infinity swimming pool, which is located on the 8th floor, and the gym. And we also have this convenience store on the ground floor, and the lobby, and we have the restaurant on the ground floor as well. And this is what you can see here are the things that you can get if you are going to get this one for rent. And again, we have 1 bedroom if you are looking for a smaller one, and we are also have bigger 2 bedrooms if you are demanding to have a bigger 2 bedrooms as well. And I think that's it. I'm going to leave my WhatsApp on the description of this video. My WhatsApp, my Viber, and my email. Just message me there, and we will visit this rental project of the Lemenda Busay. And this is me again, Mark, and hopefully this video is helpful for you if you are looking for a rental here in Cebu City. Thank you. And it's very lucky because normally if the weather is good, like unlike today, it's raining, mostly there are people swimming now we are doing this video without someone, so we are free to do the video. So this is the 8th floor amenities of the Limited Residences. We have the 4 swimming pool, infinity pool, and you can see the view of those Cebu City. You can see from here the CCLX, the city, and the South Road properties. And we have this sleeping lounges. And this is the swimming pool of Luminda Busay. And I really like it. We are on the 8th floor and the penthouse is located on that side. On the 21st floor of this building. And this is it. So I will go now to the 2nd floor and I will show you the gym of this Luminda. This is infinity pool and we have also kids pool, which is here. This is the kids pool, and below is the pump room for the utility area. And we have this dressing room, and we have this outdoor shower. And this is the kids pool. And this is the amenities of Luminda Busay. 8th floor, and we will go up to the So this is the lobby. I know the lobby, the hallway of the Luminda Busay. And if you notice, we have this very well-light hallway and nice flooring, and all of the hallways facing the elevators. We have this set up right here, like decorated wall, and you have chairs that sometimes on the other condo you cannot find, because if you are going out of the elevator, it's plain. So unlike this one, it's decorated. Even the wall here, the developer, they put a nice wallpaper. And we have units available here, not only the penthouse. We also are opening some of the units here for long-term rent. So if you are really interested to enjoy or to try the brand of Luminda, message me, and let's go now to the 2nd floor to check the gym. We are now on the 2nd floor of this Luminda Residences, and as I told you, I'm going to bring you on this beautiful gym, well-equipped gym. All of the materials and all of the equipments on this gym are all brand new. Actually, it smells like brand new because this is really brand new, and it's a really big, spacious gym, and with openings for the natural airflow will come out and things. And we have got 2 split type aircon on this gym. As you can see, look at the equipments that we have, that the Luminda having on this gym. And this is the 2nd floor of the tower. And on the 2nd floor, we can find one of the amenities is the gym, and the other one is the function, which is that one. One of the function of the Luminda, the other function is located on the other side. And the rest are all offices. The property management office is located on this floor level. And after this, I will show you the lobby of Luminda Residences Busay. And this is it. This is the gym of Luminda. And this is the gym that maybe you can picture yourself out working on this gym. So let's go now to the lobby.
Dami na